Welcome to HomeHelp.ai. I'm your home help assistant, and I'll walk you through everything this platform can do. Let's start right here on your dashboard, your central hub for managing your home. Below the nav, you'll see Quick Actions. These buttons give you one-tap access to the features you'll use most: AI Assistant, Design Studio, Projects, My Contractors, Tasks, and Calendar and Settings. Your Tasks card shows upcoming maintenance items sorted by priority and due date. You can add new tasks, mark them complete, and open any task to see full details, checklists, and comments. The My Home card stores your home's key details: type, year built, square footage, and connected appliances. Keeping this updated helps HomeHelp give you personalized maintenance recommendations. Now let's visit the AI Hub. This page brings together all our AI tools: text chat, room design, issue diagnosis, and voice assistant. You can ask questions about repairs, costs, or even talk to HomeHelp hands-free. The Design Studio is one of our most popular features. Upload a photo of any room and the AI will generate redesign ideas while preserving your room's actual layout and dimensions. You can save designs, share them, and even send them to contractors for estimates. Our contractor database has over 21,000 licensed service providers. Search by specialty, zip code, and radius. Each listing shows license details, verification status, ratings, and distance. My Contractors is your personal Rolodex. It shows contractors you've worked with, plus your private helpers like house cleaners or handymen. You can add anyone. They don't need to be on the platform. The Projects page lets you create and track home improvement projects. Each project has a budget, timeline, tasks, photos, and assigned contractors. You can invite contractors to view and collaborate on your project. Your calendar shows all maintenance tasks, appointments, and project deadlines in one view. From here, you can also jump to the Task Manager, To-Do Lists, Honey-Do List, or set up Google Calendar Sync. The messaging system lets you communicate directly with contractors. Conversations are linked to your projects, so you have full context in one thread. Store all your important home documents here: warranties, contracts, receipts, inspection reports, and permits. Everything is organized and searchable, so you never lose track of important paperwork. To-do lists let you create shareable task lists for your household, invite family members by email, assign tasks, and track completion. Great for coordinating weekend projects or move-in checklists. Your Settings page lets you manage your account, update notification preferences, change your password, and customize your home help experience. That's the full tour. You've seen the dashboard, AI tools, Design Studio, contractor search, project management, calendar, messaging, documents, and more. If you have any questions, just open the AI chat or voice assistant anytime. Get started with HomeHelp.